Hey guys, it's JetRex103 and we are back with another astroneer video. So in between episodes, which I tried recording last time but my mic cut out. So in between episodes, as you can see guys, I got a tractor. Yeah, so I'm gonna go looking for some resin because I also got this furnace and I got some laterite, which I should probably start making. Baking, not making. I'm gonna do that. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this small printer. I'll hold on to it. It's a starting platform. I don't need that yet. Zinc. I'm going to have to look up what you do with that. And yeah, pretty much what I did in between episodes is I went on to a hunt, pretty much for a research hunt, kinda. And I got large platform B. And that takes 3 resins. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get on my tractor. I can go find it. It's over here somewhere. And I'm going to turn on the power because it takes power. And finally I found something useful for the organic. And then I'm going to get in it and I'm going to go find some resin, pretty much. I can't wait to get a trailer for this thing because it will be so nice. Hey look, already some resin. Okay, now if I leave the tractor and flip the tractor first. Let me get this resin. Not a lot of it. It doesn't look. No, not too much. Yeah, mostly just compound. So let me go back to my tractor. Let me get in and back up. Now the hunt truly begins to go find some resin. And the tractor also provides air for us, so that's nice. What is this? What is it? Oxygen filters. Ooh. Okay, that's pretty cool. It's a debris. Oh yeah, the debris thing. Does it have like a cable plug? Let me back my tractor up, see if it does. It's got wheels on it. It's missing a wheel. You think that I can fix this, guys? I think I just need to find a wheel and then I can fix it. I'm gonna go looking for a wheel, guys. Oh, there's some more resin over there too. Nope. Okay. Since I see the resin already, I'm gonna go get it. Oh, it's right here. So, oh, that was weird. I need 3 things of resin, so there's one. See some on the ground here. Any more here? So, yeah. Almost got 2 stacks here. And that should be 2. And if I come over here, maybe I can get the 3rd one already. Got the 3rd stack. So now I'm gonna go back to base. Enter this, go back home. I'm gonna look for a wheel for the thing over there. If I'm right, that should be a trailer. So if I think if I find a wheel, I can just repair that. Okay, now let me exit. And if I come over here, I need to move my vehicle. No, it's out of beta week. Let me put this in. Turn these. Actually, no, keep those on. Because I gotta get in. Move it. Now, if I come here quickly. Dang it, I'm in the way right now. There we go. I'm gonna start making that. Put that. And now let's go see if I can find a wheel. I think I know where a wheel is. If I... Okay, it's not this way, because there's tethers leading towards it. I know that. No. Hit a wall. Okay. Drive all over my base. I have it's over here. Yeah, it's over here. I'm gonna get out. So I can still drive, but just for the ride here or there. I don't really need that. I think I have one. If I don't, it only takes it only takes compound, which I can find easily. I'm gonna get some organic. I think I got only 2 here. I should get some more. Let me get 4. Okay, I got 4 things of organic. Move back. There we go. Yeah, but the thing is somewhere. The wheel is somewhere over here. Is this? No. What is that? Oh, it was just part of the mountain. I thought it was like a crystal. Ooh, some more resin. I could have sworn I built tethers out here. Don't plant in my way. Here are my tethers. Nope. Nope, I can't find it. Can I hold something and drive at the same time? I honestly don't even know. Nope, can't. So I'm gonna go back. Oh, I know I saw a wheel once. Out of battery. There's the wheel! Guys, we just found the wheel. Nice. I'm gonna pause it and then I'm gonna... Okay guys, so I found a wheel, I found the rover, but I just can't manage to figure out how to do that. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna end it here. So yeah guys, I guess I'll do a bit more researching and I'll play for a bit more. But yeah. Oh god. Okay, I'm going back to base now. Yeah, I got stuck in a hole and I was in there for at least a good half an hour. Or 15 minutes. Just a while. Like a weird metal noise. Just heard. Okay. Now this is working. This aluminum right here. And yeah. What does it take to make a trailer again? I know how many points it is. I don't know what it takes. So, compound and aluminum. Oh, I have those. I have. Do I have 2 aluminum? Yeah, I should have. That's zinc. Oh, never mind. I could have sworn, guys, that I had 2 aluminum. Zinc. No. Okay. Well, I'll just play in between episodes, get some aluminum, get some points. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.